Hello friends, today we are going to see lead code medium problem container with most water. So for this problem you are given with n non-negative integer where every integer in this array represent height of the wall at that particular index. Let's see this example. This is the array which is provided to you. So I can say at index 0 we have the wall with height 1. At index 1 we have the height of the wall as 8 and so on. Now we have to choose two walls such that the area between these two walls is maximum. Let us try to choose this wall and this wall. Okay, so this wall is present at index 1, the height is 8, and this wall is present at index 6. So the height of both wall is same, and the width between these two wall is right index minus the left index, that is 6 minus 1. The width become 5 and the height is 8, so the max area is 40. So can we get another two wall which can have area more than 40? Let's try to choose this two wall, the red one. Okay, this wall and this wall. Now the height is not same, but we have to choose the minimum height. So minimum height is 7 and the width between these two wall will be 8 minus 1, that is 7. The width is 7 and the height is 7, so the area become 49. So our maximum area is 49. Now before solving this problem you should ask few questions to your interviewer to clear your doubts. Example: does the thickness of wall affect the area? And the answer should be no. Do the left and right side has any wall? On this left side or on the right side, are we having any default wall? The answer should be no. Okay, the wall which is higher and which is present between two walls, does it affect the area in the container? No. For example, this wall, the black wall, okay, it's present between two red wall. Does it affect the area between these two red wall? No. What if the array is empty, the provided array is empty? In that case you should return area as 0. What if you're provided with only one element, that is only with one wall? In that case also the area should be 0. Now what should be our approach? So we have to find the left heighted wall and the right heighted wall. So what we will do, we will start from left and we will point it with the left index which is set to 0, and we will also start from right. We will point the right index to the last element index, and we'll set the maximum area initially to 0. Now we will run a while loop until we cross left and right index. Till that point what we will do, we will get the height at left index and the right index, and we will get the minimum height of from the left or right index. Then we will find the width. The width will be equal to the right height, uh, right right index minus the left index, and your maximum area will be the maximum of previous max area or your new area. So new area will be minimum height what you got and the width between the right and left index. So if this form the max area, then your max area will get updated, otherwise your previous max area will be carried forward. Now once you've done this, your left pointer should either go to right or your right pointer should go to left. How you can do that? You have to increment left pointer if the height at the left index is less than the height at the right index, otherwise decrement the right pointer. And once you come out of the while, you should return the max area. Let's code this. So I'm going to declare one three variable. Left variable will be set to 0, The right variable will be set to height -1, and your max area will be set to initially 0, while your left index is less than right index. Till that point, what we are trying to do is we are going to get the mean height, and the mean height will be equal to height at left index, or it can come from right index. Okay, and now you need to get the width. The width will be straight away, it will be right minus left, and your max area should be updated. Now your max area should be your previous max area, or it can be your now new max new area. So new area will be mean height into width. Now you have to update your left or right pointer depending on height at left. If it is less than height at right, then your left pointer should be incremented, else your right pointer should be decremented. And once you are out of the while loop, you should return your max area. Okay, let's run this code on our first test case. Yes, it's working fine. Now let's submit our solution, and let's check all the test case get passed. Yes, it's getting completed in just 3 milliseconds. What can be the complexity of this? The space complexity should be order of 1, because we are not using any extra space, and the time complexity is linear, like we are iterating the entire array, so order of n is the time complexity. Thank you guys. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.